카메라요?
Heavy snow fell in Niigata Prefecture, Japan on February 8, 2026, blanketing various areas in a captivating white blanket. Residential areas, roads, and even hilly areas were drastically transformed, bringing a rare winter atmosphere to the region. Heavy snowfall has wreaked havoc across Japan, with the relentless blizzard resulting in 45 deaths and more than 500 injuries. According to Japan's Fire and Disaster Management Agency, FDMA, the heavy snowfall since January 20, 2026 has caused extensive damage. Most of the fatalities were reported in the northwestern region of Niigata Prefecture, which recorded 17 deaths and more than 170 injuries. Snow has blocked roads, halting transportation in the cities of Aomori and Wakkanai, with many vehicles stranded due to the heavy snow. The Japan Meteorological Agency has predicted more heavy snowfall over the weekend in the western and northern coastal areas, and urged local residents to remain vigilant and take precautions. The agency has warned residents of possible traffic disruptions and avalanche risks in areas covered by heavy snow from northern to western Japan. Japan has experienced record-breaking snowfall, particularly along the Sea of Japan coast, with some areas recording depths exceeding 4.5 meters, 15 feet. The heavy snowfall has slowed down public activity. Vehicles were seen driving with increased caution, while residents took advantage of the opportunity to capture the rare sights that beautify Oita. While the heavy snowfall brings visual beauty, it has also raised concerns among local authorities due to its potential for transportation and safety disruptions. Residents are urged to remain vigilant for continued extreme weather conditions. A breathtaking sight unfolds at Jinzen Onsen in Yamagata Prefecture, Japan, as heavy snow blankets this historic hot spring resort. The relentless snowfall covers the roofs of classic wooden buildings, narrow streets, and even the trees along the river, creating a fairy tale-like atmosphere. The beauty of winter is evident in the Jindei Botanical Gardens in Tokyo, Japan, as plum blossoms are covered in a light blanket of snow. The blossoming petals contrast sharply against the white snow, creating a rare and captivating sight. The plum tree branches, which usually herald the arrival of spring, now look gracefully covered in snow, creating a unique blend of winter's chill and the warmth of the flowers. The garden's atmosphere feels calmer and more peaceful, as if time slows down amidst nature. Heavy snow blanketed the Okanamizu area of Tokyo, Japan, creating a beautiful and tranquil cityscape. The streets, train tracks, and urban buildings are slowly covered in a blanket of white, creating a winter atmosphere rarely seen in central Tokyo. People's lives continue, even though transportation has slowed due to the snowfall. The sight of trains passing through the snow is a special attraction, showcasing the romantic and peaceful side of the Okanamizu area. Record-breaking snowfall hit Aomori, northern Japan, resulting in snow depths exceeding 1.8 meters, approximately 5.9 feet. These extreme conditions have caused numerous highways to be closed and submerged in snow, paralyzing transportation in several areas. The continued accumulation of snow raises serious concerns about fatal accidents, particularly due to slippery roads and limited visibility. Furthermore, the risk of roof collapses increases, especially in older homes and public facilities not designed to withstand excessive snow loads. Heavy snowfall hit Sapporo, Hokkaido, Japan on February 6, 2026. Blanketing the city in a thick layer of snow. Main roads, residential areas, and the downtown area were covered in white, creating an intense winter atmosphere. The heavy snowfall slowed transportation, while residents were urged to exercise caution due to slippery roads and limited visibility. Nevertheless, the view of Sapporo under the snowfall created a stunning winter panorama. Local authorities continue to monitor weather conditions and urge the public to follow safety warnings, as snowfall is expected to continue in the Hokkaido region. Heavy snowfall and heavy snow accumulation caused several buildings to collapse in Niigata City, Niigata Prefecture, Japan. The increasing weight of the snow is suspected to be the primary cause of the collapse, particularly in older homes and structures unable to withstand the extreme pressure.